Hello Internet, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your parking lamp bulbs on your car by yourself at home. So let's get started. I chose Philips White Vision to replace. Step 1. Open the bonnet of your Swift and locate the headlamp assembly. The parking light bulb is usually a small holder on the upper or side section of the headlamp. Step 2. Reach behind the headlamp and find the parking light bulb holder. It's a small plastic socket that you can twist with your fingers. Step 3. Turn the holder anti-clockwise and gently pull it out. The small parking light bulb will come out along with the holder. Step 4. Remove the old bulb by holding it gently and pulling it straight out from the socket. Be careful not to twist too hard, and avoid touching the glass part of the bulb with oily fingers, as this can damage it or make it burn out faster. If the bulb feels stuck, wiggle it lightly while pulling to release it. Step 5. Take a new parking light bulb of the same type, usually a T10 or W5W bulb. Hold it carefully by the base, and avoid touching the glass with your bare fingers, because fingerprints can shorten the bulb's life. Now, align the pins with the socket and push the bulb straight in until it fits snugly and doesn't wobble. Insert the holder with the new bulb back into the headlamp housing. Make sure it aligns properly with the slot. Once it's seated, twist the holder clockwise until it locks firmly in place. This ensures the bulb is secured and won't come loose while driving. Switch on the parking lights to test if the new bulb is working properly. Step 6. Insert the holder with the new bulb back into the headlamp housing. Make sure it aligns properly with the slot. Once it's seated, twist the holder clockwise until it locks firmly in place. This ensures the bulb is secured and won't come loose while driving. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the parking light bulb on your Maruti Swift, all by yourself. This simple DIY saves you time and money, and keeps your car safe and visible on the road. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and share it with other Swift owners. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy car repair tips, maintenance guides, and upgrade tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.